My name is Louise and today I will be filming my finale for the Partners in Cream update. Yes, I should have filmed an update in November. I did not. So this is very late. It is already the 7th of January 2024, but I just want to film this so it's like finished in my brain. I have 6 items. Let's go through them. First, from Smashbox, the Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. My goal was to finish it. I don't think I can mark a very obvious place. I won't be able to mark it because I am pushing all the way up here and it's not coming out. So I think I have very little left in this. So I'm pretty pleased with myself for that anyway. I will probably be cutting this up and using it. I'm pretty sure I have at least 2 or 3, maybe 5 even applications, because I always say 2 and it ends up being 5. So I think I have a few applications left of this, but I guess for this project I will be considering it finished. So yeah, should I do that? Nah, I haven't finished it, but really close. Then we have the Charlotte. I used it 7 times before I stopped doing my makeup. Then I have the Charlotte Tilbury lip oil. There is no way for me to see how much left because it's impossible to push up and I don't really like it all that much. It's fine. I really wish I could get like a substantial amount out every time instead of using this little pathetic rollerball. I'm sorry, but yeah. Used it 9 times though, but still not finished. One product that I did try to use, but it was completely dried out, the Linda Hallberg Crayon in Brown. It did not even swatch when I went to actually use it, so we are tossing this. Yes, did not use it again once. The other pencil I had was the Urban Decay Psychedelic Sister. It's beautiful. It's a really pretty purple. I used it 3 times, so that was fun. Then I have the Morphe Primer, and I don't think I can really show where this one is either because that's where the mark is. And if I push up, yeah. I pushed up just a little bit below, but there's like no point in marking it again. I used it 6 times. That was fine. I think my goal was to finish it. And the final item was the Painted Elephant Matte Hydro Cream Base from Suva Beauty. It is a really cool red shade. I didn't use it, not even once. No, I'm sorry, I used it once, which was good. So I do like it. So those were my Partners in Cream items. I use them okay. I mean, you know. But yeah, I will not be doing this project again this year. I don't know. Maybe I don't feel like anything really happened. It took like a really long time for any items to get used for some reason. So I will be taking a break from Partners in Cream for 2024. But yeah, that was the finale. A little late, but better late than never. So take care of yourselves, wash your hands, eat some ice cream, and I will see you when I see you in a new video. Bye!